Good afternoon. All right, today, I am Nicholas Neesmith. I'm here to present my system analysis interface for my course 42, CSCI 4211. All right. So first off, starting off, we kind of got introduced to the system where we needed to create a login information and have password information. That was what we were first really given. And then was going deeper into that it'll be an email login, and the email will be sent for a person if they forgot their password. This system is being built for a student, faculty, administrative department, like a school system. So this is a school interface. So for example, you had the student registration where a student will want to go put in their information so that they'll be able to log into the system. Then you got administrators, so this is all our conceptual slides going into, this is also the student interface, class grades. So a student will see their grades, right? Drop dates. So this was all the brainstorming that we did early on in the semester. And this right here, this is the actual problem definition going towards what was actually implemented for our solution. So system analysis, problem definition, and relation diagram. The challenge given to us as a class in August was to create an interface that represents the roles played in a school's interface. The interface requires login authorization for members of the school system. After clients successfully log in, they are granted access to the main menu. The roles in the system to be made will be made using HTML, PHP, and also using some database management techniques. This is a drawing I made that helps shows the entity relationship diagram. So we got the courses. You have many courses for one student because one student can take many courses, and then you also have the faculty. A faculty can teach at multiple locations. A faculty can teach at multiple classes at multiple locations. And the faculty can be teaching multiple courses that could be a prerequisite for a student. So then you also have many courses that have many sections. Also, you have the locations, like I'm saying, so there could be a course, there could be one location for many courses, because one location can have different courses at the same, or in the same semester. They can have different courses. So boom, this is the login. So once a person logs in, they'll be granted to this main menu. And we will go through this in the, in the demo. We will do a demo. Oh. So then we got student menu. That's the first thing on the menu. Home, student menu. So once you click on student menu, you got the insert student, edit student, display student, search student, and you can delete a student. So these are the functions of this role being played by a student. This is what it looks like for a person to be inserted. So I want to insert the course, the student ID, and everything else for the student. I can also update a student's information. I can change the address, for example. I can display all students that's in the class or that's in the system. I can search a student. Delete students. This also along with my stuff. This was supposed to be my course menu, but the course menu was not uploading on the quick man notes just yet, so I didn't upload a screenshot. But we will go through the demo and show some of these. Update course. So I can update my course just so I can update my students, and I can give the course a new name, or maybe even a new location of a course. I can go and delete that same course After I have inserted it, and after I've edited it, I can go back and delete it. Faculty menu. I have my faculty menu where you can insert, edit, display, search, and also delete. Once again, a couple of these slides aren't up because Quick Med Notes didn't update just yet. But this is my search faculty. I can delete the same faculty. Now I have my reports menu. The reports is for information like report classes or courses report. You can report how many courses are being offered, a class list of courses. So it'll be class list. So let's say it'll be a list of students in courses, or class list by faculty. It'll be a class list based off of who's teaching the class. Account workers will let you know if you got holes or not in your account, and a grade list by course will be printing out all the grades for a particular course. Also, we got this is my reports course, right? The report course one from the first selection. So if I click right here, that would be the link that will lead to this this next slide from the reports, and that's my report courses. As you see, it reports system analysis 42, CSCI 42, and it has 3 credit hours. So that's what I chose to run a report in terms of information for the courses. We're now going to go talk about the function of what I have done. So student menu has options to insert, edit, delete, search, and display, search, delete information for a student. The course menu has options to insert, edit, display, search, and also delete information for courses being taken. Faculty menu has options to insert, edit, display, search, and also delete information for members of faculty. The research menu has the prerequisites required for register menu as the prerequisite for students who want to listen to a class. Reports menu has options to show information that could be useful for students and faculty, as we saw. Boom. Now here we go. We're going to go to my interface. I'm going to log in. Just to show it works. Okay. So now that I've got authenticated, that's my name and that's my password, it shows. And then I can click the proceed. A home button takes me back to home. Okay. Then I'm gonna log out last. Students. I'm gonna insert a student. This will be, no, not new course because that's wrong, but this is the, no. Go ahead, wrong. Edit student. Student ID. I've updated the student. Didn't give them an address though, but I could update it and give them an address of (123) Cool Lane. Submit. That person is updated. The student has been updated. Display the students. Display the students that are in the database. Boom. Search students, where we can go ahead and put in information to search and find the students. And I can go and delete the same student. Home. Got the courses. I can insert. Like we said, it didn't update because it still says student, but it should say course. New course. I can put in the ID of, what was he saying again? Yeah, I said. And then I need this. Web design, course description, save entry. Successfully saved that entry. I've just now added me a class into the system, or course. I just inserted a course. I can edit that same course. Well, I think I put the number as hello, 43110. What is this? 4, 3. There we go. The new course name should be development. Development. Okay, submit. Course name has been updated. This will not work. It will not show at the moment. It did not update, but I did go and make this correction already. I did go and create that already. Delete. I'm going to delete the course. Enter course number. I'm going to delete that one. Submit it. And it deleted. Pretty sure it did. And that's for that. Home. Also has the faculty, which also has the same exact things from insert, edit, display, search, and delete. For faculties, this one takes me back to PHP. Even though I went back and updated for it to be HTML, but we didn't update yet. HTML. That was the PHP, but this is the HTML file for my menu. You can also go and save for reports, the course, like we said, course reports. I have my reports for my courses. Along with those lines, I can also press home from here. This one goes to the HTML that I had, but my faculty goes still back to my PHP file. But it's all right. HTML. We'll do that one more time. HTML. That's my main menu. You can also log out. I can log back in. Take me right back to my main menu. Once I authenticate my login. Back again. I'm here again. Back in my system. Let's log out. Quick notes. I'm gonna go to the database so we can look at the course DB. Oh, something like that. Anyway, nope. All right, here we go. There we go. That was our problem definition. That was a problem. Solved it. My evaluation of my system is I have some things that I would have rather been updated before my presentation, but they were not updated adequately, and I enjoyed it. It was a great learning experience. So yeah.